Okay. Hi, I'm Maya,
And I'm Allie.
and we're gonna be doing the
Wheel of Slime.
So I'm gonna be making slime,
And I'm gonna be making slime.
and we're gonna be spinning the wheel to see who wins, who gets what ingredient, and then we're gonna see. You're gonna vote who made the best slime.
You ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors?
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, again?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Again?
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, you go first. All right.
Okay.
Spin the wheel of destiny.
Oh, wait, that one.
Yeah, new spin. Ooh, good spin. Paint!
Paint.
All right. Do you want to close your eyes?
Should I close them?
Close your eyes and I'll hold them out in a mysterious order. Okay, close your eyes. Pick your weapon. Oh, hide.
Hi.
Ooh, good choice.
Ooh.
A nice lilac purple.
I like this
That's a
color.
good one.
I'm gonna save it.
Yeah, good idea. All
Or
right.
should I put it?
Oh, you put it in.
I put it in.
It's all done. Beautiful slime. Slime.
Do you like it?
Yeah, guys, do you think this is the best slime that Maya has made?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, you're
Spinning. Food coloring. Okay.
Here.
So just grab randomly.
Yeah.
Okay. Mix. Yellow.
Pink.
It kind of does look like, if your pee looks like this, you should go to the doctor, I think.
It's so red.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to save that.
Okay.
Ooh, scents.
Okay. I hope I get vanilla.
I want vanilla.
Vanilla!
Fine. Taking the best scent on the first round. That's fine. Ooh, I get some borax.
Oh, so, should you put in, or should we?
Should we wait till we have more ingredients? Probably.
Maybe you should save it.
I'll save it. Okay, so I got my borax. Mimi, your spin. Oh, glitter.
Okay.
All right. What'd you get?
Wow.
Is it beautiful?
What?
Ooh, nice. Gonna add some
That would
shimmer
look
sparkle.
really pretty with.
It will. How are you getting like the best? And you got vanilla scent. I'm gonna lose. All I have is food coloring and borax. More borax. Should I spin again? Or do I have to do double borax?
You not to the
Okay.
borax.
More glitter.
More. Okay. Green.
Oh, that's gonna look pretty. All right. Shaving cream. Oh.
You can
Put some in here.
You can put it in.
All right, guys. My first ingredient that's actually going in.
You can put food coloring.
Maybe shake it a little more.
You
Shake.
can put the food coloring.
All
You
right.
can put food coloring.
All right. Finally get to use my food coloring. All right. It's gonna be beautiful. I can just tell. Alright, Mimi's turn. Glue!
Finally,
Congratulations!
I got glue.
glue!
I can make my slime.
I think that's a very important ingredient in the sliming process.
Can you help me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Ah. Here.
You got so many pretty glitters. I'm jealous. Alright. You want to pour me, Mia?
Here.
Okay. Alright, the glue is going in.
There's some glitter. From.
Already some glitter. That's a good start. A good start.
That's good.
Alright. Boop, boop, boop. And. Alright. Next on the wheel of slime.
I
add your paint. Alright.
my stuff in.
Add your stuff for your stuff and your things.
Can you open it?
Yeah. There we go. I got more borax. That's my third borax.
And yet, I'm adding my stuff.
Oh man, that's gonna be so pretty. All I have is yellow shaving cream and borax. I'm gonna add a little more food coloring to mine though. Make it real cute. I love that green glitter. That is so vibrant. It's beautiful.
I need my.
Ooh, some vanilla. Want me to open that one, Mimi?
Yeah.
Okay. Ugh. I think that one's almost empty. So just go crazy.
I think it's empty.
Yeah, that's empty. It smells delicious, though. I want to eat your glue. That's probably not good. Probably shouldn't do that, right?
It's my turn.
Yep, it's your turn. Lotion.
Ooh.
Ooh. So today we're using Touch of Love, blackberry and lilac scented lotion.
Ah!
Almost went in the glue.
It's almost done.
Give that baby a beautiful squeeze. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay,
Alright. Allie's turn. Paint!
Paint.
Alright.
Okay, what's your?
I'll random select my paint. Orange! Orange and yellow might be cute.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah. Put some of that baby in there. Oh wow, that's really bright orange. Alright. Mimi, your turn. Ooh.
Food color.
Ooh. Food coloring with paint. Let's see. Ooh, blue.
Blue.
Good choice, good choice.
New. Well, that's okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna make.
Give it a little mixer. I got glue! I can finally actually make slime.
Okay, how many times did you get borax?
I think I got borax 4 times, so I'm glad to have an actual slime making ingredient. I really need some glitter up in here though, so.
Okay, you need to put borax.
Oh yeah, I have borax.
You need to put 4 times.
Yeah, I need to use a lot of borax. Like a lot. So we'll see how this goes. I've never used this much borax before, so. Ooh, it's a lot of borax. We'll add more as we go. Alright. Might need some more glue because I did put a lot of shaving cream because I love shaving cream. Looks like we're going to need a lot more glue though. Yeah, a lot. Yeah. Gluing it up in here. Mix.
One,
Yeah, that was one. Two. More borax. Ooh.
three.
Three. More borax.
Yeah.
This is gonna be some very boraxy slime. 4.
Was that 3 or 4?
Might have been 3 actually. So I think we have to do another borax. I already have so much borax in here, guys.
One more.
One more borax. It's starting to be
One more time.
slight slime consistency. All right.
Okay.
All right. A lot of borax.
You did it.
Boom! It's very soupy slime.
Okay, and
Borax.
my turn.
Paint.
Paint again.
Some more paint.
Okay, I'm gonna do. Pink. Okay.
Yeah. So my slime is a work in progress.
I think is this
Is it coming out?
is it empty?
Tell me when.
More.
It's almost empty. Ugh. More?
Yeah. Good now.
Good. You have like a really pretty like tie-dye thing going on in there. I'm jealous. I'm just orange.
Okay. Good.
My turn. I need some glitter up in here. More glue. All right.
Okay. You can add a little. You can add a little more.
A little more glue because I follow what the wheel tells me to do. I did 4 times borax, so I probably need a little glue up in here.
Yeah.
Just gonna try and mix this baby in here. I really need some glitter is what I need.
Okay.
Yours is definitely looking a lot prettier than mine. Like, what is this?
Okay. Yeah. Wow.
That was a big roll. Borax!
Woo! Woo!
You wanna use this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, this is the stickiest slime ever.
Okay. Okay. Where is? Oh.
What? Oh, your spoon is in the slime. Your spoon has been slimed. Want me to take that spoon out, Mimi?
Yeah.
Alright. Allie has a dirty hand anyway. Beautiful. My slime is pretty slimy. Need some help mixing, Mimi?
Who goes?
I think technically it's my turn. I'm hoping I get some glitter because this is kind of ugly right
Yeah,
now.
you need glitter.
I really need glitter, especially if I'm gonna win. Ooh, scents!
Ooh.
Ooh, okay. I'm hoping I I get something citrus to go along with my orange and yellow theme. Blue raspberry.
Okay,
So it doesn't really fit, but
that would fit mine.
yeah, it would fit yours, but gotta listen to the wheel. Alright, got some blue raspberry scent in.
Okay.
It is the Maya's turn. The blue Maya's turn. More glitter?
Okay. So,
You're gonna have all the glitter and I'm gonna have no glitter. Sad.
dark green.
Ooh! You got a pretty theme going on here, like a galaxy or something.
Okay.
I need glitter. Please glitter me. Please glitter me, oh magic wheel. Glitter!
Woo!
Yes! Okay. Ooh, gold. I dig it. I dig it. Ooh, that is finally might make my slime pretty.
You got gold.
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
Yeah. I'm happy I got a easy color to mix with here.
Okay.
Your turn?
You think we're done? Or how many? You think we're done?
I think we added all the ingredients we need. I think I got everything on the wheel. You didn't get shaving cream.
Oh my god! And this. I think we're done.
I think we're done, yeah. We got slimes formed.
I think I needed
More borax. Yeah, I had to use a lot of borax, so. I had used 4 times borax, so. It's definitely not sticky. I feel like never enough glitter either. I'm actually kind of digging how mine turned out. The color looks a little iffy, but the slime itself is good.
Can you help me
Yes, ma'am.
get the slime off of this balloon?
I am a great de-slimer.
Okay.
Can I help with hands?
Mhm.
Or would you rather do it yourself?
I don't. I can do it.
Okay. Yours is looking cool. Yours looks like a deep sea slime. Or a galaxy slime.
Yeah.
Mine just looks orange. Yeah.
Mm.
Not
Mine
super
looks
creative.
really cool.
Yeah, your colors are really something I'm very jealous of right now. I've got a good consistency going though, so we'll just hope that's enough to bring in the win for Allie. I'm just gonna play with mine.
I'm getting mine.
Oh yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay. I think mine is good.
Alright.
So, okay. So,
Should we do close-ups?
how?
I can grab the camera.
No, like, on what?
Just so they can see the slime better.
No, like, on what? Like, on what?
Our hands?
No.
You want a plate? Okay. We have the paint plate. Will the paint plate work?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do a side by side. Alright. There we go. Give it a couple squeezes. Your slime looks really cool, Mimi. That's such a pretty color. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so here are the final finished slimes.
Mine is this one.
And this one is Allie's. The one that's a pretty boring color. Maya's got a cool, like, galaxy sparkle thing going on. And mine just looks like a little But, you know, we tried. Maya probably succeeded more, but, you know. Alright, guys. I think that concludes our video.
Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to vote.